pasina Mugabe, pasina Katsukwere, pasina Mboko, pasina Grace Mugabe, pasina hurumende yefake yekuZimbabwe. I want to say, Mugabe, you are an idiot, and Katsukwere, you are an idiot, because what you have been doing to our children, to our mothers, our parents, many people in Zimbabwe is not acceptable. Yesterday, I saw a bulldozer destroying houses of people in Harare, houses which cost millions of pounds, 5 bedrooms houses built of tiles, modern houses, which some people have invested for years to build those houses. A part of all those houses were built by cooperatives. Cooperatives, that's a group of people who unite together to do an economic development, to overpower poverty. And Katsukwere, by the blink of an eye, of all the houses, 35 houses built in Harare, you just come with a bulldozer and command soldiers with guns to destroy people's houses. This is totally unacceptable. I say to you, Katsukwere, an idiot, but a bastard. Right. Zimbabweans have been exposed to sellouts since a long time. Lobengula sold the country because he was given a prem and some sugar. And therefore the country was taken. Today, Sangrai has been given a prem by ZANU-PF, has been given a house by ZANU-PF, and he sold democracy, votes of the people. Ndikutaura panapa nhasi kuti tiri kuda kuisa hondo muZimbabwe. By the end of the month, or in the end of 2 months, makomrades anenge asvika akurwisa. Mugabe wanyanya kuti dzvanyira. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. We are now saying enough is enough, and we have come to fight against the regime, against ZANU-PF. Can you imagine that all 4 Zimbabweans, let's unite. It started with a lot of people who have been abducted. Itai Dzamara haven't been seen, and we are just being quiet, looking. Where do you think this thing is going? What do you think this thing is going? Enough is enough. Operation Murambatsvina Part 2. Katsukwere has got a very big mansion, which he built in Ghana, and he completed it this month. We have been seeing it on papers and videos. If someone comes and destroys that 130 bedroom mansion which we have, will you accept? Will you be happy? All the energy which you have done there, what you're building, even though the money you have stolen from diamonds, from gold, from aluminium in Zimbabwe, because you are just there as mafias to steal the product of Zimbabwe. That money should be imposed in engage in health welfare of people, education, public facilities, hospitals, many things. Our roads, all that money should be engineered there, but it is taken by 5, 7, 8 people, thieves, mafias. They are using the army to intimidate Zimbabweans. They are using the army to overrule Zimbabweans. They are using the army to forge the government. They are using the army to take democracy of the people. And you are not accepting that. pasina ZANU-PF, pasina Grace Mugabe, pasina Mnangagwa, pasina Mpoko, pasina Katsukwere. I repeat, match my words. Katsukwere, you idiot, you Mugabe, idiot. We are coming. We are coming now. You have done a lot of damage to the people of Zimbabwe. I say, Aluta, Zimbabweans. Revolutionarists, Martin Chinyanga, the William.